Hey everybody, Billy Bob here. It's Wednesday, hump day, but it's also April 15th, which means it's tax day. So my episode today is called A Swing and a Myth. First, the myth. Here's the myth. The myth is if you file an extension on April 15th, that means you don't have to pay your taxes on April 15th. Ah ha ha, not so fast, my friend. If you file an extension today, you have to pay at a minimum of 90% of your tax liability. Now, I'm not a tax guy, okay? But I didn't even stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night. But here you go. If you pay none of your taxes but file an extension, you're going to pay a penalty and you're going to pay interest on the tax liability and the penalty. So I don't know what each individual tax situation is, but that's a fact. But if you pay 90% of your tax liability today and file an extension, my understanding is they waive the penalty. But here's the safe thing. If you're filing an extension, pay your tax liability along with it and then do your taxes later. Okay, that's the myth. The myth is that people think you don't have to pay if you file an extension. And here's the swing. The swing is there's people that get a big tax return, right? And they love it. 6 weeks from now, 8 weeks from now, you get a big return. Some people love that. They do it on purpose so they save, for a vacation or something they want to do. However, if you look at your tax deductions and adjust them to where you might be able to, or you will, not might, you will, get more tax money back each and every month. So you get it paid monthly back to you in a form of a paycheck than you do at the end of the year. This or that, your choice. As my brother would say, if you adjust your deductions and you get close to zero, that means you're getting closer to the pin, just like in golf. That's what I got. America, land of the free because of the brave. Stay focused, America. Billy Bob, peace out.